right. So key terms to understand. ACoS. What the heck is ACoS, right? So the first column you're going to see on your PPC campaigns is spend. So we talked about that, right? That's the amount of money you've spent on clicks. The next column you're going to see is sales. Well, that is the total product price. So if you're selling your cat toys for $13 and you have $26 in your sales column on your PPC campaign, that means that you have had 2 sales based on those clicks. Okay, so that's kind of how you understand that number in the sales column. And then the next thing is ACoS. So ACoS is the percentage of how much you've spent on clicks divided by the total amount of sales. Okay, so that's all it is. But how do you make sure, and we're going to talk about that, how do you make sure your ACoS is profitable? Your ACoS should pretty much be less than your profit margin. Right? So if your profit margin is 30%, and your ACoS is 100%, well then, you're essentially you're paying way too much. You're losing 70% on how much you're paying in advertising spend versus how many sales you're getting. We're going to talk about how to optimize that, but that's kind of how you can look at your ACoS. You want your ACoS to be less than your profit margin so you can make sure you're making money. Impressions, we talked about that already. That's just when your ads are displayed. And clicks, that just means the ad was clicked on.
I just posted